I mean, I'm speaking in very, very broad terms about cost, but if you want to say, what does this is it's Portland numbers, other parts of the country, your mileage may vary substantially. But when we were thinking about what the cost of brick cladding is, let's say it's $32, $34. It was less when we did the building, a square foot. And a window, in this particular window manufacturer, and this is just an aluminum clad wood window, let's say is it 70 to 80 a square foot? So certainly more than brick. But if we're talking vast areas of curtain wall, that's north of $100 a square foot. And certainly the developer, he also was very cost conscious. And so there was no solution for this design that were going to be large areas of glass, curtain wall solutions, which would have also necessitated more complicated and thus more expensive structural solutions. The building is exterior wood frame shear wall construction. And each of those panels in between the windows is a part of the shear solution, because Oregon is a seismic part of the country. And it was the developer's direction that he wanted to, for maintenance reasons, have a brick clad building. He didn't want to be in a position where he was looking at repainting. From his point of view, he was, the brick is essentially maintenance free for as long as he imagines he's going to be owning the building. And so he directed us to do brick. That and that fit in with our idea about the sort of historic quality of the design. And that mass needed to be accommodated somehow with the shear wall construction behind it. So we weren't really going to have that many windows to begin with, and the windows needed to be sort of relatively narrow. So to get light into the space, that makes them relatively tall. Well, a tall and narrow window is a rather traditional looking window. Right. So you ended up back sort of where you started.